BDW International School aims to be the center of excellence by nurturing the holistic growing environment. We are equipped with state-of-art facility that fosters overall development in a child. We maintain internationally accepted teacher-student ratio.
First of all, I will say that the teachers were trained, and they. One thing I really like was the way they connect with the children, each child.
At BDW International School, we are promoting the 3 C's. 1. Critical thinking, where we impart creative thinking in all the children, promoting and exploring divergent and convergent thinking and formulating creative solutions. 2. Creativity, which is melding knowledge by imparting the creative solutions in the children. 3. Collaboration, by imparting team skills, building relationship and leadership with interpersonal skills and social knowledge.
Child safety is the most important aspect in BDWIS. Thus, we have internationally accredited scanning access system. We have day boarding and daycare facility.
I've witnessed tremendous change in my child after she joined BDWIS. And she has learned many skills also, which I know will really help her later in life.
This is a roof under which you get academic subjects, along with you get music, dance, arts, and the boon of all, that is Kriya classes.
Meeting a lot of my friends and relatives, they feel that the cost of the school is quite high, but I feel that when you look at all the facilities which are being provided by the school, which include transport, school meals, and all the extracurricular activities also, which they will not have to go outside for, it's actually a very economical deal which we have for the school.
Our curriculum in music education is a student-centric, an approach where we create an environment in which students are encouraged to continually seek their own learning while teacher plays the role of a facilitator. And students will be giving assignment as they will show increase in interest and the intelligence to develop and hone their skills.
When we talk about creativity, we not only refer to the ability to physically manifest an idea, rather it is bearing the courage to create something that stems from our multiple intelligences. Creativity is facilitated in our learning by honing creative and thinking skills, media literacy, career and life skills, understanding about cultural diversity, as well as understanding the flow in which our mind, heart and hands work in harmony. Together, these form part and parcel of a holistic education.
BDWIS provides equal opportunity to post-scholastic activities, which develops work education, life skill, visual and performing arts, attitudes and values. I'm proud to say that we are the 21st century school.
Well,